Welcome to Learn AI Governance with Dynamic Comply. Let's break down AI compliance and AI governance, one topic at a time. Hey everyone, thanks for joining today's session. Today we're diving into something every AI leader should care about. Not just because it's trending, but because it impacts your ability to scale, win customers, and avoid really expensive mistakes. Let's talk about AI governance. I'm Ross, founder of Dynamic Comply, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what AI governance is and why every smart leader is paying attention to it. Okay, let's jump right in. First, let me paint you a picture of what's happening right now in the AI world. Companies are getting hit with 15 million euros fines. That's not a typo. 15 million euros. Just last month, a major tech company was fined because their AI system couldn't explain its decisions to EU regulators. And here's what's really scary. Lawsuits from AI bias are exploding. You probably heard that Workday company was facing a class action lawsuit because their hiring AI was rejecting qualified candidates based on their age, and they had no idea this was happening. Brand destruction happens in 24 hours now. One viral post about your AI making a racist or sexist decision, and suddenly everyone's talking about how your company can't be trusted. You know this better than anyone that your company's revenue gets blocked when customers can't trust you or your brand. But here's the scary truth that most leaders don't want to face. AI risk is business risk. When you have AI risks, your entire company pays the price. This isn't some future problem. It's happening right now. Okay, if you're feeling a bit nervous right now, you're not alone. Every single smart leader I talk to is asking the same questions. What if our AI makes a biased hiring decision? And they should be worried. AI bias in hiring is one of the fastest growing lawsuit categories. What if we're breaking EU laws we don't even know exist? The EU AI Act is already in effect. If you're serving European customers, you need to comply. Period. What if our AI tools get hacked and leaks customer data? This is huge. AI systems often have access to massive amounts of sensitive data. One breach, and you're dealing with regulatory fines and customer lawsuits. Here's the hard truth. This isn't a what-if scenario anymore. It's a when scenario. Your AI tools can introduce risks you can't see or explain. And if you can't explain how your AI works, you can't control what it does wrong. Now let's look at how proactive leaders are turning this into a competitive edge. But here's the good news, and this is where it gets exciting. AI governance isn't just about avoiding disasters. It's your insurance policy and your competitive superpower rolled into one. Let me show you what I mean. Innovate faster. When your teams know the rules, they can move with confidence. No more endless legal reviews or committees that slow everything down. You have clear guardrails so you can sprint safely. My recommendation to you is this. Bake governance into the product lifecycle. Don't wait until the last minute. Stronger customer trust. This is huge. When you can prove you're accountable, transparent, and bias-aware, you win deals. I've seen companies win million-dollar contracts simply because they could show they have AI governance, but their competitors couldn't. Next item is accelerated global expansion. Want to sell in Europe? Asia? You need to meet international standards. With proper governance, you're ready from day one. No scrambling to meet regulations after the fact. Having peace of mind is the next reason. Imagine sleeping well, knowing your AI systems and your companies are protected. No more 3 a.m. panic attacks wondering if your AI just made a career-ending mistake. Lastly, beat competitors. Important one, right? While your competitors are still gambling with uncontrolled AI, you're the safe choice. You become the trusted leader customers come to. And here's the bottom line. You become the trusted leader in your industry. Trust is the new currency in AI. And AI governance is how you earn it. When customers have to choose between you and a competitor, and you can prove your AI is safe and ethical while they can't, who do you think wins that deal? Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complicated. Where do I even start? Great news. You don't have to figure this out from scratch. There are 3 general frameworks that keep you safe, depending on where your organization is at. First one is EU AI Act. This is the world's first comprehensive AI regulation. It's not coming, it's here. If you serve European customers, you must comply. The fines are real, and they're massive. Next is ISO 42001. This is the first global standard for managing AI through a governance system. Think of it as your golden ticket with enterprise customers. When they see you're ISO compliant, you instantly become the trusted choice. And the last one here, NIST AI Risk Management Framework. This is the US framework for managing AI risks. If you want to work with the government or large enterprises, this is essential. These frameworks are your blueprint for winning deals, avoiding legal pitfalls, and scaling responsibly. The beautiful thing? You don't need to become a compliance expert. You just need to follow the roadmap these frameworks provide, which we'll talk about briefly on the next slide. So, how do you actually implement AI governance? Let me walk you through our proven 6-step process here at Dynamic Comply. Step 1. AI system discovery and risk profiling. Most companies don't even know all the AI tools their teams are using. We map everything and evaluate your risk. Step 2. Gap assessment. We assess exactly where you stand against the frameworks I mentioned in the last slide and identify what you already have and what you're missing. No guesswork. Step 3. Governance program design. We help you build policies, roles, and controls tailored specifically to your operations. Step 4. Implementation and assessment. We help you incorporate governance into your actual workflows and assess the effectiveness of the control implementations. Step 5. Audit and readiness support. We prepare you for audits and help you get certified, which is the best part, right? And the last step and most important one, continuous monitoring. We support you with an ongoing compliance, including regular reviews, updates, and governance using our automated tools. The point is simple. You focus on building innovative AI solutions and using AI tools to help your organization, and we make sure you are safe, fair, and compliant. Here's what I want you to do right now. If any of these resonates with you, if you're thinking about your AI risks, your competitive position, or your growth plans, let's have a quick 15-minute chat. During this call, I want to understand your AI goals, your challenges, and how to build trust into your systems and organizations. The smart leaders like you aren't waiting for disasters to happen. They manage their risks. You can email me at hello@dynamiccomply.com or just visit our website at dynamiccomply.com. Thanks for joining me today, and I really hope this was helpful. Take care and see you on the next AI governance session.